when we talk about periods, it's a very common thing. I think that one of the biggest discomforts is the pain, right? What are the causes for that? And how painful is it okay to have the pain? And when should you turn to a doctor?
I think it's a very important question you've asked me. See, so we have something called a primary. So basically, a painful period is dysmenorrhea.
Okay.
Okay, it's termed as dysmenorrhea. Now, in this, you have a primary dysmenorrhea, which may be seen due to a hormonal change or fluctuations, which many young girls also, they may have just a primary dysmenorrhea. So there's nothing like really alarming in these cases. And initial cycles usually may be more painful and eventually it may settle.
Okay.
Then there are certain conditions which can be underlying, so that is called as secondary dysmenorrhea. So if there is secondary dysmenorrhea, then you must look into whether there are fibroids. There could be uterine fibroids which are there. There could be something where a globular swelling in the uterus, that is a adenomyosis, or something like endometriosis. Endometriosis is a condition is that where when you're externally bleeding, again through the tubes, the blood is going retrograde and it is collecting in the pelvic the cavity and causing lot of adhesions. So endometriosis also we need to look into.
Right.
And and fibroids, as I told you, polyps, adenomyosis. So these are all important things which if a person is having secondary dysmenorrhea, yes, you need to at least do a sonography and see that whether what is the cause, so that accordingly you can do the treatment.
True.
Now, what pain, your second part was what pain is actually alarming or she needs to get help.
Right.
So any pain basically which help means it prevents you from doing your day-to-day work.
Okay.
That should,
The first thing.
yes. Or a pain which is becoming severe every time. Or it is persisting.
Okay, with every cycle,
It's worsening. It's not
Okay.
relieving.
Got it.
Or something which is persistently there. Every period she is always having pain. Persistence
Through
of
all
pain.
those 3-4 days.
Yes.
Okay.
And it's every month she's having. So it's persisting.
Right.
She cannot do her day-to-day work.
Right.
Or something where you give her those, we normally give tablets to reduce the painkillers. It's not
Working.
reducing. Yeah, nothing is working on her. So these are the things where you may like to investigate.
Okay.
Or if it has other symptoms, like along with the pain, there's heavy periods, clots are following.
Okay.
So, or it becomes very haywire, your whole cycle, it becomes very irregular. Or there are other gastrointestinal symptoms also, like where they have maybe nausea, vomiting,
Okay.
abdominal pain, which is severe also.
Right.
And if they have fever develop. So I think all these things you need to investigate if there is a severe dysmenorrhea.